Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft Azure Marketplace services step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will land on the Azure dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Marketplace option in the navigation menu. Click on Marketplace to open the Azure Marketplace. Use the search bar at the top to find a specific service, or explore categories to discover new offerings. Once you find a service that interests you, click on its name to open the details page. Review the service details, including pricing, features, and usage terms. When you are ready to proceed, click on the Create or Get It Now button. You will be directed to a setup page where you must fill out the required fields. This may include basic configurations, such as resource group and service plan. Review the summary of your selections to ensure everything is correct. Next, click on the Review plus Create button. After reviewing all configurations and pricing details, click the Create button once more to finalize your subscription. Your new service will start deploying, and you can monitor its progress in the notifications area. Once deployment is complete, you will receive a notification indicating that the service is ready for use. You can also manage your subscriptions by navigating to the All Resources section on the left-hand menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.